rights of every person in the country. And from
थोड़ा हेलो थोड़ा पीछे थोड़ा हम लोग 50 मिनट पूरा थोड़ा पीछे थोड़ा
चेन ब्रेक एलिमेंट है.
That has also sort of drawn some criticism about your comment about like women not joining the CKP.
Ma'am, I don't know like
I
why the
understand.
media.
No, I understand you were saying it was out of societal condition, but yeah, I agree with that. One thing I do not agree with is that it sort of patronizes any sort of political agency a woman might have.
Exactly.
Because
and it also undermines
No.
the agency of a woman.
See, I had put it very clearly that there are women who are wonderful journalists. There are female creators. The society does that conditioning. The society does conditioning. Men also. The society does condition men also. Women also. There are different stereotypes. And to reclaim our unique identity as an individual, so we have to realize that.
That's true. Absolutely true. I agree with the social conditioning. One thing is that is it incompatible with a woman who is interested also in say shopping or other things that you have mentioned? It's not, right?
No. See, these are two different things.
Right.
One is the freedom of a woman to do makeup. Of course I stand with that freedom. And of course I stand with the freedom of a woman to do shopping. But when the society imposes upon a woman कि उसका तो काम ही ये हजारों गाने बार बार बनाए जाते हैं, ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा जुल्फों का रोशन, ये आदमी के लिए तो ऐसे गाने नहीं बनाए गए. बार बार हजारों गाने औरतों के लिए ही बनाए गए है ना. अभी भी और भी जो हनी सिंह बादशाह लाइक बार बार वो चीज़ किया जाता है. तो इसलिए इस टाइप का स्टीरियोटाइप है और उसको देखना चाहिए. और जैसे कि
the consumers of these songs are also men, right? At the end of the day, it is men who demand these songs. But then, my question to you is, again, it still stands that why are women not included in the group as of now? So, what is the future of that? Are women? Did you take interviews of women journalists or something as your spokesperson?
I have told it again and again. Saurav also clarified it. That in the group many women they are involved and they are doing wonderful work. The kind of narrative which is being spun spokesperson में नहीं है, ये नहीं है. उसके लिए भी मैंने बताया कि हमने बात की थी किसी फीमेल क्रिएटर से जो हमारे दोस्त हैं. उन्होंने कहा कि सर ट्रोलिंग एकदम से जो है 50 गुना बढ़ जाएगी. तो वो चीज़ हुई. और अब इसको ये देखो ये कोई रजिस्टर्ड पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नहीं. इट्स लाइक अ बंच ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. तो वी आर ओपन फॉर एवरीवन. वी आर ओपन फॉर द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ ईच एंड एवरीवन, बी इट women, be it someone from LGBTQ community or irrespective of any caste or religion or language. It's an open thing. So everyone will of course join in and people are joining in. I mean, we are seeing it.
Ma'am, thank you so much. Sorry, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
What would they have to do?
Yeah, the Google form is there.
He's getting late. Ma'am, please, ma'am.
Google form is available.
सर आपसे एक बात करना चाह रहा हूँ मैं. आप दिल्ली बुला रहे हम लोगों को, यही बात करने को नहीं दे रहे, तो वहाँ आके क्या बात करने, हम क्या आवाज उठाना वो आप